Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today I am going to teach SST of class 3rd and lesson 6 part 2. Students, in previous video already explanation of lesson 6 was over. Let us start our exercises. First of all, we will see multiple choice question. In the multiple choice question, just see the first. A calendar shows the days, weeks and months or both A and B. So students, a calendar shows the days, weeks and months. So here we will take the option C. Next, which calendar is used all over the world? Its answer will be this Gregorian calendar. Already we have read in the chapter. Now see the next page. The next page, see, the Gregorian calendar was introduced in which year? In 1582. In 1582 it was introduced. Now see the fourth one. A year with 360 days is known as a leap year. Already we have read in this chapter, it is known as the leap year. Question number B. Answer the following question. Explain the term calendar. So students, here are your question answer. Explain the term calendar. Answer. A calendar is a chart of pages showing the days, weeks and months of a particular year. Question number 2. Write in brief about the leap year. Answer. A leap year comes after every 4 years. In the leap year, February has 29 days. Question number 3. Name the days in a week. When will the next leap year come? Answer. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The next leap year will come in 2024. Question number 4. Why are calendars so important for us? Answer. Calendars are important for us because these calendars keep us updated and informed. Students, now your question answers are over. See the next exercise. In the next exercise, what to do? Read the following statements carefully and mark tick on the true and cross on the false one. First is, a calendar is a chart showing the days, weeks and months. Students, it is correct. Next, you cannot personalize your own calendar. No, you can personalize your own calendar. So this statement is wrong. Third, nowadays digital calendars are becoming very popular. Yes, it is correct. Last, a leap year has 364 days. No, it is also wrong statement. Exercise D now. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the help box. A calendar also gives seasonal informations. Pope Gregory introduced the Gregorian calendar. Third, February has 29 days in a leap year. Tuesday comes after Monday. See, in first, seasonal will come. In second, Gregorian calendar will come. And in third, 29. And in last, Monday will come. Exercise E now. Correctly match column A with column B. Gandhi Jayanti falls on 2nd October. Calendar keep us updated and informed. Third, the leap year is divisible by number 4. And the fourth, September has 30 days. In this way you can match and you can write number also like this. And now brain opener questions, BOQS. Question number 1. Can we manage our day-to-day routine of life without a calendar? Discuss. Answer. No. We cannot manage our day-to-day routine of life because Without a calendar, we cannot track the dates and days. Now, question number 2. How should we celebrate national festivals in our school? Explain with examples. Answer. We should celebrate national festivals with joy and happiness. Example, Independence Day and Republic Day. Students, now see less. Next is self-assessment. Prepare your personalized calendar for the current month. And next, make a list of leap years from 1950 to 2050. This is your homework. This you have to do yourself. And next, also life skill. Prepare a timetable of your daily activities and paste it in your scrapbook. This also you will do. Second, make a calendar of any 1 month showing the prominent national and school events. This also you will do in your skill book. So students, this chapter is completed. I hope you have understand this. We will meet again in next video. Till then, thank you very much. Stay home, stay healthy.